So for this one, you have we've talked about this to complete the square. Okay, so special perfect square trinomials is factoring for completing the square. The square. So if you notice, this is the perfect square, and that's a perfect square, and that's double these two. And you have the plus sign with the middle sign. And remember, these two are the same, so you could put it as a plus b quantity squared. Now you have these two perfect squares, double those two, minus. So you use the middle term to determine, okay, what sign will go right there. So we know this is going to be squared. This is plus. So it's going to be, take the square root of this and this. That's going to be r plus 3. And then how do you get 6r? Well, that's going to be r times 3. And you're going to have the 2 in the front. See how you have a 2 right there in the front. So 2 times 3 will give you the 6r. Okay. Yes, you can take the square root of these two. So that's going to be 2b plus the square root of minus 3 quantity squared. You multiply 2 times 3, that's 6, times 2 more, that'll give you the 12 right there. Okay. Here, you cannot take the square root. So you know that all of these can be divided by 3. So it's going to be 3 times n squared plus 10n plus 25. So now you can take the square root of these. So that's going to be 3 times n. Take the sign of the middle term, which is plus. Square root of 25 is 5 squared. Okay. Let's do the one with the minus in the middle. So that means there's going to be a minus. You can take the square root of 9, that's 3x. Square root of this is 5y. Okay. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then times 2, because it's always double those two. So times 2 will give you the 30. So here, you know you cannot take the square root of these two. So you know that all of these can be divided by 3. So that's 3k squared minus 24 divided by 3 is 8k plus 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, so now we take the sign of the middle one. Put the 3 out here. So this is the square root of k squared is just k. Square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so now that's your final answer right there. Whoops. Okay, so that's for today is special factoring, and we have the perfect square trinomial and the difference of squares.